Welcome to the Home Henry Assembly Manual. To start step 1, secure your feet with accessory J. In step 2, with parts 2, 6, 3, and 4 positioned, fit the D accessories and then secure them with the G accessories. In step 3, attach accessories D and O in the indicated locations. Position pieces 7 and 6 and fit accessory D in the indicated locations, then attach accessory K. Now position piece 8 and fit the D accessories. Join the two parts and tighten accessory O. And fix all the G accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the D and O accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the L accessory in the indicated location. In step 4, position part 9 and secure the K accessories, then tighten all the O accessories. In step 5, use accessories A and J on part 19 and finish by securing with accessory J. Fix the K accessories in the indicated locations, and with pieces 10 and 11 positioned, fit them together and tighten with the P accessories. Fix the J accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the K accessories in the indicated locations, then position cart 12 and fix the K accessories. Finalize using the P accessories in the indicated locations. In step 6, position the pieces 13 and attach accessories B and J. Fix all accessories C and J in the indicated locations. In step 7, position part 13 in the indicated location and secure it with accessories B and J. Position the pieces 16 parallelly and fit all the pieces 17. Then secure them all with accessory I. Position pieces 20 and 21, secure with accessories M, and finish with accessories I and F. In step 8, fix accessories N and J. And to finish, in the indicated locations, attach the L accessories.